Good morning. We're doing the first step on this Land Rover. This is a 15,000 grit wet sandpaper. The first step we do by hand. You have to know what you're doing to do this, or you will take off the clear coat and the paint. Okay, now we're up to the 3,000. Wet sand. You really have to know what you're doing to put a high-speed buffer with wet sand in. You could burn right through the clear coat in an instant. We picked up this Range Rover 2012 yesterday afternoon, and it got in a fender bender, so I had to go back to the paint shop. So we just finished putting the second coat of ceramic on it. We re-ceramic coated this entire side. And the hood, and all the pillars, all the plastic pillars. We re-ceramic coated all those too, just for protection. And we ceramic coated the front bumper that was repainted. Ready to go for tomorrow morning.